Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Samsung washing machine completes the wash cycle but leaves the clothes soaking wet, the machine may not be spinning properly. Spin problems can happen because of an uneven load, drainage issues, cycle settings, or temporary control glitches affecting the Samsung washing machine. Fortunately, this type of issue doesn't always mean that something major has failed. In many cases, a few simple checks can help restore normal spinning performance. In this video, I'll guide you through several troubleshooting steps that may help get your Samsung washing machine spinning again and leave your laundry much drier at the end of the cycle. Try these. Step 1. Rearrange the clothes inside the Samsung washing machine to balance the load evenly. Step 2. Inspect the drain system connected to the Samsung washing machine for possible restrictions. Step 3. Make sure the Samsung washing machine is standing level on the floor. Step 4. Perform a reset by unplugging the Samsung washing machine for several minutes. Step 5. Select a spin cycle on the Samsung washing machine and start the program again. Step 6. Observe the Samsung washing machine and confirm that the drum reaches normal spin speed.